this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get the best keywords for your Redbubble product. So here in this page, I have created a shirt, and it's called Senior Discount Please, and I'm just using this as an example. So most people will fill out the title and they'll write a description, but the most problem I've seen is actually putting the tags. And the main problem I see people having is they don't know what tags to use. But I have a website that I can share with you, and it's called Redbubble Tag Generator. And it's such a great tag generation because it doesn't make you research anything. It's just a tool that you can type in. So for example, since it's about seniors, I'm just going to put senior. So it's loading, and I'm gonna wait until it brings up the keywords. As you can see, it has brought up a lot of keywords that I can use. So now I'm just gonna copy and paste this. And of course, I would actually recommend that you would read through this and to see which keywords are relevant. And so I believe Redbubble at the time of this making of this video, you allow 50 keywords. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to use the first 4 rows. So I'm here in the tag section. I'm going to actually copy and paste. As I actually expanded this, it's great that the keyword generator will actually format it correctly for me, because it does need to put the keyword and it needs a comma. So I actually recommend this tool for you. Again, it's called Merch Titans Redbubble Tag Generator. It is a great product. I'll put a link below the description to show you what it is. Hope you enjoy it.